Hello, this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty. I'm here in sunny Florida at one of my listings. This property has got a main house, which is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath with 2 dens. The property is 2.5 acres. It's got a separate garage. Check out some of the fruit trees on the property here. It's an estate sale. The man who owned it, he died just over 2 years ago. His name was Charles Payne. He was a survivor of the attacks on Pearl Harbor. It's your pool area there. It's got a small lake over here. The lake is fed by the reverse osmosis system for the house. We've got some fish in here. The lake has a little liner. Got some vines over here. Oh, there's the fish. We just missed them. Property goes all the way over to the street over there. Goes back. It's a square lot, just over 2.5 acres. We've got all types of fruit trees. Cactus that you can eat the fruit of. There's jackfruit down here, came off those 2 trees. We've got some more fruit over here. And here. This is the guest house on the property. It's a beautiful 2-bed, 2.5 bath. It's got a garden shed, and this here is a macadamia tree. You can go out here. The guest house has got a separate address, and it's got its own utilities and entrance. The property comes over as far as this street here. There's one more property owner down there. There's your guest house. It's a very nice property. This takes you back out here to Mahogany Ridge Drive. So this is Barry Hoey with Downing Fry Realty, Naples, Florida. Inquire about this property. My email is barry@swflluxury.com. That's barry@swflluxury.com. We've got a total of 7 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, 4-car garage, lake, koi pond, vegetable plots. We have it all here. I look forward to hearing from you. There's your guest house again. Thank you.